Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 90 minus 18 divide 6 multiply 8, okay? So is equal to, now let's solve this question by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So in this question, here is one subtraction, here is one parenthesis, and here is one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis, okay? So is equal to 90 minus, now solve this parenthesis, 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. So minus 3 multiply 8 is equal to, now here is one subtraction and here is one multiplication, okay? So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. First we have to solve this multiplication. So 90 minus 3 multiply 8 is equal to 24. Now 90 minus 24 is equal to 66. Okay. So the correct answer is 66. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.